So here we are, just about started spring, got the top off the boat, and we got mold problems like usual. So not too bad in the back. I don't know how much you can see here, but we start to get moldy on the seats. It was moldy when I bought it. I don't know if I didn't get rid of it or if it just comes back. Tough to kill. But I got a pretty easy solution for it. I'll show you here in just a sec. Basically, I'm just going to hose this thing down with Marine 31. This stuff's magical. It's like a mix between bleach and chlorine. I don't know, it smells pretty good. So I'll give it an application here. I'll put the phone on video and I'll just speed it up. You can watch the mold just disappear. Here we go. We still got some around here. We also got some on the back. Let's see if I can show. It's a little bit on the back, but a few more sprays and this stuff should come right off. Just let it stand for a minute. So that's it. Pretty much good as new, sorta. I don't think it necessarily kills all the mold. I think it's pretty much gonna come back if I leave it sitting moist for any given period of time, but it looks good. Definitely good enough to use. So here it is, just after a bunch of hose downs with the Marine 31. These aren't new seats, so they're not going to come out perfect. But as you can see, everything turned out really good. I mean, this was only maybe 20 minutes of work. Not too much elbow grease. Definitely made life a lot easier. I have waverunners as well. Every year I take the cover off and they look horrible. And now I just spray this stuff on, wait 20 minutes, rub it off, and we're good. So that's it. That's the secret for me, at least. Love it. Buy this stuff. I'm not affiliated with it. I don't get any money from them. I just like the product.